preparation is the key. Before you need to do something, go for to write an examination, or go for a meeting, or go for a work, or go for anything, go for cooking also, you need to prepare. Okay, you need to get the ingredients. You need to be prepared for what are the questions in the meeting, or what kind of presentation you are going to do. Or you are going to meet your boss, so you should be prepared like what the boss can ask about the job and all that. So, or for a student, it is like you have to prepare your studies that well before answering a paper or anything, or taking up a examination, any kind of examination. So preparation is the key. If you prepare it well, you're going to get the results well. If you do not prepare it well, then the results will be zero. So preparation, everything is in that ingredient, in that garment. Okay. So you have to prepare the thing. The food, if you do not prepare it well, it doesn't taste good, right? So the same thing, it goes for everything. Everything is like interconnected, you see. If the food is, you do not prepare it well, you don't eat good food. If you do not study well, you do not get good result. If you do not work well, you do not get the work done the way it is. And if you are not prepared for the presentation, you cannot take the answers, right?